Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the other important major currency pairs for Monday. So let's get started. So at first, let's look at the chart of AUDUSD. I'm in a 1 hour time frame. So the most important level for the chart of AUDUSD right now is the resistance zone of 0.7425 to 0.7440. This is a strong resistance zone not only because of this price rejection, but this resistance zone also belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know that the levels from the higher time frame are much more reliable and strong enough. So as a result, this level is a very strong resistance for AUDUSD. As we all know that AUDUSD is in very strong uptrend for the last couple of days, but this may be a level from where the trend may reverse. So on Monday, after the market opening, observe the market. If you see that price is going up, okay, if you see price is going up again, then observe the market around the resistance level. If you see that price is being rejected from above, if you see that price is unable to cross the resistance zone, then you can also take a sell position as well. But to be on the safer side, what you can do is that you can use the currency strength meter. Just look at the currency strength meter. If you see that AUD is very strong for a day. If AUD is the strongest currency, very strong, then do not take the sell position. In that case, there is a possibility that market will break the resistance and it will go up. Okay, so before taking a sell position at the resistance, look at the currency strength meter and see if AUD is on the weaker side. If AUD is not strong enough, then take a sell position because the resistance is strong enough. Otherwise there is a possibility of AUD breaking resistance and going up as well. Okay, and in case market comes down after the market opening, then you may get another opportunity to take a buy position around 0.7360. This may be another opportunity to take a buy. If market comes down to this position after the market opening, observe the market. If you see price is being rejected from below, if you see that price is trying to take support around this level, you can also take a buy position, because this will we will consider this as a buy at dip. Okay, buy at dip opportunity. So 0.7360 is an important level. If market comes down after the market opening, if market bounces from this level, go for a buy, and in case market reverses from the resistance zone, you can go for a sell as well. Okay, but yes, be in touch with the currency strength meter. The next chart is NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You can see we have a similar setup here. Okay, things are not much different here. The only thing that is different here is that the level on the USD is from the weekly chart, whereas the level from the NZDUSD is a normal resistance in the market where there was a price rejection. Okay, so the most important level for NZDUSD chart is right now 0.6925. This is a strong resistance zone for the market. On Monday, if market reaches the resistance zone and if price reverses, if you see price is being rejected from above, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern, then you will get the confirmation the market is unable to cross the resistance. Strong selling pressure is there and you can take a sell position at the resistance. But again, I'll say, to be on the safer side, you can use the currency strength meter. If you see that NZD is very strong enough, do not take the sell position even though market is standing at resistance. Okay, so 0.6925 is very strong resistance zone for the market. And one more thing that you can use is Fibonacci. Let's say after the market opening, you see market coming down. In that case, you can look for a buy position around 0.6870. See, 0.6870. Considering it is a buy at dip option. Okay, see, this is a strong trending market, so yes, buy at dip is always available for you. After the market opening, if market comes to the level and bounces, obviously you can go for a buy as well. So again, the resistance is important for a sell position, and you can go for a buy at here if market comes and bounces. Yes, confirmation is always important. Do not forget, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So do not make the mistake, my dear friends. Now let's look at the chart of USDJPY, dollar Japanese yen. Just look at the trend of the market here. There is no doubt that this market is extremely bullish, and as we all know, that market has only one rule, and that is follow the trend. What is the trend of the market here? The trend of the market is very much towards the upside. The trend was so strong that I will not even recommend a sell. Okay, to be honest, this kind of market means buy only. Okay, buy at dip is the best option here. Okay, even though we have a resistance, okay, still I'll say, to be on the safer side, you should be looking for buy at dip options only. The last traded price 119.14. This is the last traded price. So after the market opening, if you see USD JPY going up again, and if it breaks the level of 119.40, then you can take a buy, because the market is so strong enough. There is a high chance of USDJPY breaking the level of 119.40 and going up. If it does that, you can go for a buy as well. But on the other hand, after the market opening, if you see USDJPY going down, going down, then in the 1 hour time frame, 1 घंटे का time frame में, okay, observe the market around 50 moving average. Why? Because you can see that the 50 moving average is providing support to the market. It is acting as a dynamic, very beautiful dynamic support for the market. So if you see USDJPY bouncing from the 50 moving average, that will be a very good trading opportunity as well. So if market bounces from the 50 moving average, you can go for a buy as well. And the last support, not last support, and the next support for USDJPY is 118.25 to 118.20. This is the last support for USDJPY. So these are all options for USDJPY right now. Just keep in mind that this market is very much bullish right now. If the same bullishness continues next week also, buying at dip should be your only strategy. Do not look for reversal and all, because the trend is very, very strong right now. And the next pair is USDCHF, US dollar Swiss franc. USDCHF was also in a very strong uptrend, and right now you can see that there is a correction going on in the market right now. Okay, and to be honest, still this is we cannot consider this as a complete trend reversal, but if we just consider the present trend of the market here, then we can see that sellers are very much dominating also. So after the market opening, okay, listen to me carefully. After the market opening, observe the market, in which direction the market is moving. If you see market is coming down or going down, observe the market at 0.9285. Why this level is important? Because this is a Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So as we all know that Fibonacci 50% retracement level has got us exclusive spot. Okay, it really works. So there is a possibility of market bouncing from the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. If market bounces, if you see price is being rejected from below, market is trying to take support around this level, with proper stop loss, proper risk management, you can go for a buy. Okay, around at 0.9285 level. But after the market opening, if you see USDCHF going up, okay, if you see USDCHF going up, then there is a possibility that around 0.9350, there will be some selling pressure again. If you see price is being rejected from above around 0.9350, we can take a sell position as well. And lastly, I would like to talk about a 50 moving average on here also. So if market breaks 9350 level, 50 moving average will be there to act as resistance. So 9250, if market starts going down and market bounces, well and good, we can buy. If market goes up, we can take a sell position considering the present trend. Considering the present trend, we can take a sell position at 9350 or at the 50 moving average. My jaw is paining now. Now let's talk about USDCAD. The problem with the USDCAD chart is that, okay, it is standing at a support here. Okay, that is not the problem. The problem is, okay, though it is standing at support, but the selling pressure is so high that it may not be able to hold the market. This is the support here. You can see that it is trying to take support. Okay, but the selling pressure is extremely high. So after the market opening on Monday, okay, if you want to take a buy position, you can take a buy position, but keep in mind you must use proper risk management, because the chance of breaking the support is also very high. I'd say that it is almost 50-50. Okay, so if you see reversal sign market trying to bounce on Monday, you can take a buy position with proper risk management and stop loss. You can take a buy, but in case market breaks also the present support level, if you see the selling pressure is too high enough, if the same selling pressure continues on Monday, market will not be able to hold the level and market will be going down, and you can take a sell position as well. So the market opening will be very crucial for USD CAD. If it bounces, if it reverses, it will be a very beautiful trade. We obviously go for a buy, okay, because it's a very sweet spot. But if it breaks it and if the volume is high enough, we can go for sell as well. So these are the trading opportunities on all these pairs. Hopefully you've understood. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday. And use proper risk management and stop loss. Don't forget.